Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to give you an update on the Icon of the Seas. Now the Icon of the Seas is the largest cruise ship in the world. It is on its maiden voyage now as we speak, and everything is going well. The ship has passed with flying colors. It is the largest cruise ship in the world. And it's only natural that the largest cruise ship in the world is going to visit the number one port in the Caribbean, which is the Falmouth Cruise Ship Terminal. It is the number one cruise ship port in the Caribbean. It has been for many years. So the government announced recently that the Icon of the Seas is going to be visiting Falmouth. They don't have a specific date, but they announced Icon of the Seas expected to make port of call in Jamaica. Now, Jamaica's tourism product is very good. In addition to all the hotels that are going up, Jamaica has some good cruise ship piers, and Royal Caribbean owns the Falmouth cruise ship pier, so their ships dock there. And Icon of the Seas belongs to Royal Caribbean. So we're going to, and the Falmouth cruise ship pier has been voted the number one cruise ship pier in the Caribbean for many years. And it's also one of the top cruise ship piers in the world. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Icon of the Seas coming to Falmouth. Senior strategist and advisor in the Ministry of Tourism, Delana Seavright, anticipates that the world's largest cruise ship, the Royal Caribbean's new Icon of the Seas, will be making future stops in Jamaica, particularly at the port of Falmouth. The vessel is the latest in the company's line of Oasis-class ships, which include the Allure of the Seas, Oasis of the Seas, Symphony of the Seas, Harmony of the Seas, and Wonder of the Seas. Mr. Seavright spoke regarding the state of the cruise shipping industry and its prospects for 2024 and beyond. Noted that the sector has been rebounding strongly from the major fallouts caused by the impactful COVID-19 pandemic. He said the island's appeal, rich culture, and vibrant energy continue to attract cruise lines and passengers, adding that the inevitable arrival of the Icon of the Seas will further consolidate the growing confidence and interest in Jamaica as a premier cruise destination. The imposing 20-deck, 250,800 gross ton vessel, which measures 1,198 feet and has a passenger capacity of 9,950, is outfitted with 2,805 cabins, a water park, and an impressive 40 restaurants, bars, and lounges. Icon of the Seas is all the rave right now, the talk of the cruise shipping sector. When it gets to Jamaica, as all its sister ships have, it will be a strong indication of the resurgence of the cruise industry, Mr. Seavright pointed out. The senior advisor noted that as cruise lines gradually resume operations and passengers regain confidence in traveling, the industry is seeing growth and renewed optimism. With the prospect of the world's largest cruise ship and other Oasis-class vessels making stops at the Falmouth, Jamaica port, excitement is building among local businesses, tourism operators, and residents. The potential economic impact and the opportunities for cultural exchange and tourism development are expected to be substantial, the tourism official added. Mr. Seavright said that the cruise industry charts a course towards recovery. Mr. Seavright said that as the cruise ship industry charts a course towards recovery, Jamaica remains poised and ready to welcome visitors from around the world. He added that his unwavering optimism reflects Jamaica's ongoing commitment to providing unforgettable experiences for cruise passengers and solidifying its position as a top tier destination in the Caribbean. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. I mean, I think it's great that the largest cruise ship in the world, 9,000, call it 10,000 passengers, is going to be coming to Jamaica. And we will definitely be there to welcome, to see the ship docking when it arrives. So we'll keep you guys updated on all that's happening. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.